When you own a Tesla, you already know. It's not just a car, it's an investment in innovation. So why leave it unprotected? From rock chips and road debris to swirl marks and UV damage, every drive puts your Tesla's paint at risk. That's why protection is key. At DoubleTake Auto Spa, we offer the top 2 solutions. Paint protection film will defend against physical damage, keeping the paint free of those unsightly swirl marks, fine lines, paint chips, and more that can make your Tesla look neglected sooner rather than later. While our ceramic coating will lock in insane gloss for years, not months, offers great UV protection while making maintenance effortless. Want the ultimate protection? Our new Tesla Double Protection Package combines both. PPF plus ceramic coating on top. Maximum defense, maximum shine. And don't forget window tint. Our heat-reducing, UV-blocking tint keeps your Tesla cooler, more comfortable, and protected from interior fading. We've been protecting Teslas for over 10 years. In fact, when Tesla Motors needed to protect a Model S to present to Elon Musk and his executive team, they chose us. That speaks volumes. Tesla employees trusted DoubleTake Auto Spa with their vehicles, because in the Tesla community, we're known for protection done right. We're not the shop for bargain hunters, we're the shop for Tesla owners who understand that real protection isn't a cost, it's an investment. DoubleTake Auto Spa is the name that means quality, precision, and trust. Let's get your Tesla protected today.